Today we're going to learn about fractions using something super fun, balloons. Are you ready? Let's go! I had 3 blue balloons, 4 red balloons, 2 yellow balloons, and 1 green balloon at my party. Now find what fraction of the balloons are red, and what fraction of the balloons are blue. Let's solve this problem. First, count all the balloons first. Let's add up every single balloon. 3 blue balloons, 4 red balloons, 2 yellow balloons, 1 green balloon. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10 balloons altogether. What fraction of the balloons are red? Think of it this way. Out of 10 balloons total, how many are red? Yes, 4 are red. So we write this as a fraction, 4 out of 10. The bottom number, 10, equals total balloons. The top number, 4, equals red balloons only. We can make this fraction simpler. Both 4 and 10 can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So 4 out of 10 is equal to 2 out of 5. This means 2 out of every 5 balloons are red. Now let's see what fraction of the balloons are blue. Out of 10 balloons, how many are blue? Yes, 3 are blue. We write this as a fraction, 3 by 10. The bottom number is 10 equals total balloons. The top number is 3 is the number of blue balloons only. This fraction is already as simple as it can be. Remember, the bottom number is always the total. The top number is the part we're counting. You did it! Now you know how fractions work. Keep counting and have fun with math. See you next time.